What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, as you can see, man, we out here in the cold weather in Louisville, Kentucky. I have with me, she's going to help us out with this video here. Of course, it is snowing. We are freezing. She got us pretty loud out here, guys, but don't even worry about it. The whole vibe here. I am outdoors right now. This is a little bit cloudy. We're going to see how much this is going to do for us already. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Dude, is there? Let's get it going. Go, 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 go it. I'm going to do both. All right, just stay in that light area right there for me. You're good. All right? All right, let's get it going. Like that. Good job. You killing. Take a chill, take a chill.
Ay,
You like them?
beautiful. Qué bella, 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 bella. Do you find it with me easier if you just take them and I keep moving?
Yeah. We can do it like that. If it's easier for you to do it that way. Yeah. Yep. Here we go. Okay. You say you want to slow it down just a tad bit?
Okay.
Take a step back. Yeah, I'm ready.
I love that.
Like those? All right, let's get you back in the car, warm up for a little bit. All right, guys, as you can see right now, I'm shooting with this 20-inch reflector. I do got the grid on. I'm actually gonna think about taking that off right now just to spread a little bit more light. For some reason or another, this is gonna let me go to 80% with the batteries. So I think that may be I don't know what that's for, to be honest with you, but it only let me go up to 80%. So this thing is not running at 100% right now. It's only running at 80% power. And it's getting a little bit, it's just giving that enough of pop of light. You gotta understand this is the LED light. This ain't made for outdoors in the midday type weather, even though this is an overcast day. So it's not really made for this type of situation, but it is giving me that little pop of light that we get to kind of get her catch lights in her eyes, as you can see so far. So it is helping out with that situation. But other than that, I think it's doing pretty well. I just don't understand why it's doing the whole 80%. It won't let me go to 80, further than 80%. So that's just kind of weird. I'm going to show it to y'all guys here in just a second, actually. As you can see, guys, it's not letting me. I can turn it down easily, but it is capping me out at 80%. Nice, stay right there. Nice, I like that. Yeah, there we go. Yep. Take advantage of those eyes of yours. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that Maya and I just put in for you.
Yes. So remember, it's Marie Castaneda. You can follow me on Instagram. He does amazing work, so definitely.
Of course, all the stuff is going to be down in the description box. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Once again, I just did this Sutefoto light just to show you what it does outdoors on a cloudy day. Once again, I already showed you that it's capped out at 80%. I did have a grid with the 20-inch reflector on that's out here in the cold, but it just gave it that little pop of light to still make it look like it's natural, so it really didn't do too much. Remember, guys, this is not really made for this type of environment, though. It's just not strong enough to be out in midday like this, but I tried it anyway just so I can give it a try, just to show it to y'all guys. But until the next video.
Yes, until the next one.
To the next one. Peace. 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 There we go. Whew. I forgot that was behind me.